Hi guys, I was reached out by another metal detecting company. So the company's name is Elikliv, and the model is the MD-810. Comes from Amazon in an Amazon box, right? Amazon Prime. This is everything that's inside here. We got the user manual. Looks like it's going to be a carrying bag. They threw in a couple batteries for me. This is the module. Should be real easy, super easy to put together. That's a 10-inch coil. That's a pretty good sized coil for, you know, just an Amazon metal detector. A little tightening to snug that up. We'll tighten to snug that up. See that area right there? See that right there? Literally just goes right in like that. And then you just screw it in place. This should be an easy fit. Over and over, plugged in. All I need to do now is put the batteries in. And battery number 2. Piece of cake. So guys, it even packed up nice in this case. Take a look at this. It's awesome, because I'll tell you, there's a couple of areas that I like to metal detect that I need to carry a little pickaxe every once in a while. Wow, that little pick, you turn it into a shovel by just moving it back down. You have a shovel. So not only is it a bottle opener, it's a can opener too. So today I'm going to try to use this product from Amazon called the MD-810. All I have is the product that they sent, all right? It's the MD-810. I put it together just a little bit ago, and right here is the shovel that it comes with. So that's all I brought with me besides my camera gear and a little bit of water. So there's got to be some good stuff on this beach. I haven't hit it in a while. I don't know if anybody else has, so let's give it a shot. Okay guys, here's the MD-810. I am on the beach right here, this little tiny beach by my home. And I'm going to turn the power on. All right, so let's go to mode, all metal mode. All metal means you're going to get all your iron through your highest, biggest silver and aluminum, like aluminum cans, stuff like that. Okay, use the mode to go down one more time, and that's discrimination mode, and you can select what you want to discriminate. Normally you would discriminate iron, right? But I will tell you a secret. If you just jump down to jewelry mode, you already automatically discriminate iron. So that's memory if you want to memorize what you have notched out. And then jewelry mode, that's what I'm a hunt in today. You can see how the ferrous has disappeared. Here's my mode. So I'm going to hunt in jewelry mode today. I got a full battery. Remember, it takes 2 9-volt batteries. The sensitivity is set a little bit low, but this beach is really rich in minerals. So I'm going to hit the sensitivity button and then crank it up just a little bit. And we'll see how it goes from there. I want to run the sensitivity as high as I can get it every time I can, but it's got to run stable. So if you find it chirping and beeping like it is now, just because it's sitting over something that's detecting highly mineralized, step it down. I'm going to go back to sensitivity, and I'm going to notch it down. Okay guys, so let's get on with the hunt. Okay, I got a target right here. Sounds like it's fairly shallow. And there we go. That was pretty easy. All right, for not having a beach scoop, that was fairly easy. All right, I got a quarter. First target in is a quarter. All right, it says I got a little low tone right here. I guess it's not that low. I can't tell what it says on there. I gotta look a little bit closer, but it's popping up in the 7-0 range. All right, let's dig this one up. Actually, that was an easy dig. You can see my handprints right in there. I don't recommend this, guys. I recommend using a beach scoop. My back is killing me after 2 digs because I have to bend over and pick that up. Okay, let's find another target. I got another target right here, guys. I'm gonna try holding that pinpoint down. I don't know how well that works, but it's somewhere right in here. Let's dig this one up. And there we go. We got a dime. And thinks it's a pull tab right here. Okay. And if you look, it's fairly shallow. Like everything I've been digging around here is fairly shallow. So it's out of the hole already. You gotta be careful with your hands. Ah, there we go. We got a crusty zinc penny. All right. I just got done testing out the MD-810, and I will tell you, there wasn't a lot of targets on this beach. So I could tell it's been metal detected. I didn't find a single bottle cap. Anyways, I did find a few good targets, so let's check it out. Here's all the stuff that I found with the MD-810. I will tell you, even though I was discriminating, it picked up a 10 stake. I got a quarter, 2 dimes, 3 pennies, and this was just on the surface really, but it did detect it because I didn't see it. I do believe that's just a brass or copper earring. I found a big wad of foil. That thing screamed at me. This is like one of those pull tab type deals, I think maybe from a can or aluminum. And this foil right here, picked that up pretty clean too. This one screamed. It was buried in the sand, still got sand in it. So guys, it did its job. It was the beach that didn't have the money. If you like my videos, please click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at either one of these videos.